Okay. To access the normal function or a normal calculator on StatCrunch, you go to Stat, Calculator, and where does it say normal? Right here, guys, you can see normal. And then I already prepared a few questions to do on the calculator. So let me just get the questions. Here you go. Can you guys confirm that you see both windows, the calculator and the questions written by hand?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, okay, great. The first question, find the probability of z less than negative 0.74. Okay, let me show you how to use the calculator. If you are using z, remember the mean must be 0 and the standard deviation must be 1. By default, your calculator is set up to display 0 and 1. So that's good. We have the settings. And now I'm going to go to the question. We need a probability of z less than negative 0.74. It's an area to the left. Look how beautiful this calculator is. Less than, I already have the sign. And then you just put negative 0.74 right here and hit compute. And not only it's going to give you the answer, which is 0.4705, it's going to shade the area to the left of negative 0. Oh, I put negative 0.074, sorry. There you go. It doesn't matter whether it is less than or equal to or less than. It's the same thing. There is no such a thing called equal. Probability of x equals something under the normal curve is 0. So that's the answer. You get 0.22965. Okay, so let me write it down. 0.2297. Now we need a probability of z less than 1.32. Watch, guys. Just put 1.32, compute. And look, this is the area. It shades the area. Now, probably you ask me, where is the z? Once you put the mean 0 and the standard deviation 1, the x becomes a z. We're talking about z-scores here, but I cannot change it. This is how the program is. So that's 0.9066. So let me just write this. Now we need the probability of z greater than 1.63. Okay, watch, guys. You change the sign and you put 1.63 here and hit compute. And look, it shades this area and gives you the answer, which is 0.0516. .0516. The last one, what's the area between negative 1.07 and 1.22? Watch, you go here, negative 1.07 and 1.22. I selected between in here and then hit compute, and there you go. You get the answer. And the answer is 0.7465. Any questions, guys? This is how you can use StatCrunch to find the normal probabilities using Z. Okay, so again, this is how you use the normal calculator. When you do your homework, I don't think you can click on StatCrunch and this will pop up. No, you have to log into StatCrunch on a separate screen and do the work, you know, using this calculator, but you can see it is very straightforward. And remember, guys, that's the most important thing that I would like you to remember here. When you're doing a Z questions, probability of Z, you must have a 0 and 1 in here, because the mean could be something else if we're using X values. But since we're doing Z, in the standard normal curve, it must be 0, 1. By default, it will be 0, 1 in here, so you can use it. All right.
Professor, I have a really quick question. So